Step into the magical world of sticker Dolly K-pop, where you can join Yumi, Hana, and Jem as they chase their dreams of stardom. Follow their journey, recording their first single, meeting fans at festivals, and shopping for stylish outfits for their first live interview. Meet the legendary sticker Dolly K-pop boys Sumin, Cody, and Milo, and enjoy their spectacular joint concert. Discover their passions and be inspired by their visit to the Sticker Performing Arts School. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing Campbell Big Steps, the perfect interactive book series designed to help your little one develop essential motor skills while having fun. Toddlers can lift flaps and turn wheels to explore new experiences, making learning engaging and hands-on. Crafted with helpful tips for parents and carers, endorsed by the Good Toy Guide, these books are reassuring and practical tools to support your child's key milestones. Get ready to watch your toddler thrive. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Judith Kerr Tiger, a delightful centenary edition of the beloved story The Tiger Who Came to Tea. This sturdy board book brings back the enchanting tale, perfect for little readers. Plus, it includes 6 12-piece jigsaw puzzles for extra fun, along with games, colouring activities, and more. It's everything you need to create your very own tea party adventure, perfect for hours of joyful entertainment. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the wonderful world of the Gruffalo magic painting, the perfect activity for young explorers. Simply use water to colour in your favourite characters and scenes from the beloved book by Julia Donaldson and Axel Scheffler. Watch the vibrant colours magically appear with each brushstroke, and easily wipe away to start again. This mess-free, enchanting experience keeps little hands entertained and sparks creativity. You'll find the purchase link in the description in a pinned comment. Discover the delightful world of the book by Pippa Goodhart, packed with interactive fun that keeps children engaged and excited to learn. Designed for shared reading, this wonderful book encourages bonding and literacy development at the same time. Its engaging activities make reading an enjoyable adventure for young readers and their loved ones. Whether for bedtime stories or classroom fun, this book is a perfect choice. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in pinned comment. Step into the enchanting world of the Sticker Dolly Assortment, the #1 best-selling sticker series that sparks creativity and imagination. With over 200 colourful stickers and 12 delightful scenes to decorate, kids can dress princesses, care for unicorns, and create magical adventures. The easy-to-remove, perforated pages make decorating simple and fun. Perfect for young dreamers and artists alike, this set brings endless creative joy. Find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the delightful book titled as this, a Plum, a clever and engaging picture book perfect for young explorers. With bold and stylish illustrations, playful rhyming text, and fun cut-out holes that play with shapes and colours, this book encourages children to question what they see and spark their curiosity. It's satisfying and silly read that delights both kids and parents alike. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.